What's up guys, welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to be showing you something. You love my ceiling fan videos from before, right? Yeah, right guys? Now I'm going to show you something. Surprise. Ta-da! Wait a minute. I created a Roblox game. It's just, a ceiling fan house. My first ceiling fan house. It's just my first ceiling fan house. I'm going to be leaving this a little second. It's my first ceiling fan house. But later, if I get an idea, I will create a more bigger one, with a mansion or something. So, right here we have this. We are gonna be showing you the game. I created this game because it's free tutorial is there. It's my username on this account. If you want to see free tutorial is there. No, that's just the display name. I'll show you the game and thing in the comment. So I was, it was really, this is a hard public to read, but the respect of the public and the reality and the published to your so I can read. Yes. So I thought I was gonna video on it. I'll show you. I'm so sorry, but I will not create the video that I was creating the game. But next time that I create it again, I'm going to record as well as text table. You will also have an idea of the knowledge. You might, when you come here, you might press this, but you don't have to enter it from here. You have to go here. You can enter it from there if you want, but you can enter it from here also. I installed this IC, but in case you want, if you want to not without work, I installed that IC without work. It's just out of place. That's what I do. So here we have a ceiling fan. I know I chose diagonal first because other ceiling fans were like wobbling like crazy, so I don't want to wobble in ceiling fans. So I'm gonna it's speed one. This will not work on speed one. You click on speed two. This is the fan on speed two. As you can see, this is the fan on speed two. I did one big mistake installing this, not this channel, but I'll show you later. And this is speed 3. I don't want to waste time now. Let's put this on speed 3. As you can see, the fact works. Here we have an AC that actually works with the see on some of the AC. And then that's it. They will work. This is a scale, but this is runs really slow even at high speed. This is the data is at high speed right now, and the fan will still run this slow. That is why I stopped this right here. This fan is running very if you guys want me to replace that fan, please comment if you want me to replace that fan with another fan. Okay, this is the kitchen fan. I installed the dirty one because the kitchen fans keep dirty and it gets chicken because you do the cooking. Copy my drawings. Borrow these just as copy I want to use this. Look for the TV fans wobbling and all. That's why I had to. I had very hard. Sorry for the background noise, but the fan right here, as you can see, and now we're gonna turn fan on speed one. I don't. So because the stand hook is inside the ceiling, I made it like it look like a false ceiling. That's why this fan is wobbling when you turn it off, like that. Let's do it on speed two. P3, P4, it's full. So that fan still runs a little slow here. Here it is. Say about my speed on this fan right here. This is the bedroom, master bedroom. I must say. This Panasonic AC works because of the remote here. Panasonic AC works. What the hell is that working? Turn on! Turn on! Okay, the AC now on. We're going to turn the fan on again. But Leon then has one. Speed one is um, speed one. Okay, there you go. This is very hard finding some communication. These normally wobble. I want. I don't like wobble that much. If they wobble, to go out of place. I don't like those things. As you can see, it's so slow. My God, I don't know why this fan is so slow. Okay, this is my ceiling fan house. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is my ceiling fan house right here. I created one. You like it, loved it when I played a ceiling fan house that was not by me. But you will love this one if you played. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and comment me what do you think and what should I do next. Peace out.